She is evil. It was because of her that I lost my daughter.
Mother, it is not Golibe's fault.
It is her fault. She is misery defined. She exudes only misfortune. It was because of her that you are almost killed. And now my daughter in the hands of the forbidden. All because of her. I hate her.
Mother.
I will never forgive her for that.
Mother, the gods say she's innocent.
She may be innocent, but I tell you, she's an unfortunate lost soul. A magnet of misfortune.
Enough, mother. Enough. It hurts me that neither you nor father understands me. It breaks my heart.
Forgive me, son. Forgive me for the harsh words I used. I missed my daughter. And I know you miss her too. However, the ordeal were too intertwining and could not prevent. I want you to forget Golibe.
Your mom!
Have mercy on me, I beg you. Have mercy.
I show no mercy. Your people show me no mercy. I killed a woman. I killed a woman.
Please have mercy on me. I know you have a good heart, India, please. This is not the real Zulu I heard about, please. I'm a virgin. Don't rape me,
Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man? Touches my heart like a star.
I do not think I can continue. Believe me, I have realized that my parents will never ever respect my decision to be with Golibe.
So, you want to give up on her?
You know me. You know I do not want to.
You see, your father, the king, is speaking from a royal position. You are different. You have a heart that accommodates all. Hold on to that which your heart adores. It is only a question of time.
So you believe they will still accept her? after all that has happened?
The gods will decide that. You see, if you both meant to be together, nothing would stop it.
Okay. Thank you very much, King.
Don't mention it, my prince.
Chuka.
Chuka, my friend.
Golibe, just as the stream flows effortlessly, so will my love for you always flow. Nothing will stop my love for you. Nobody, no being, no spirit can stop my love for you. Golibe. Golibe.
I can see my prince is troubled.
I do not need any companion this time.
You do. You do need me. I can see it in your eyes.
And what makes you think I need you?
Because I know your heart is troubled. And you need a woman like me to give you peace.
Woman, I do not need you. How dare you touch my sacred beads?
Please, do not reject me this time. Take a good look at me. I'm more better and beautiful than her. She's just a shadow. And I'm the daughter of the first chief of this kingdom. We are meant to be.
Oluchi, you are desperate. And for that reason you disgust me.
You will not know what will hit you soon.
What is the matter? Let's cross this river before something else happens to us. We need to go.
Eyes that sees the unseen. Any good news?
Are the warriors on their way with our daughter?
The warriors are dead. They died before reaching the first mystery lane.
Where do we go from here?
Someone must be willing to sacrifice himself for your daughter to be alive.
I shall go.
Someone of no royal blood.
Golibe will go for leading my daughter dead, though it was not her fault. I shall send my guards to fetch her.
I said willing, not force. The gods have spoken.
soon he shall weigh you down.
Hey! Hina si wani uchi ngada ya. Imebo se cool me.
Lydia, you protected that girl. But let me tell you, soon your project shall crash.
If you dare touch her, you shall die.
I am not scared of anything. I am invisible.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Everything shall unravel. Even death is not a mystery. Ichiokocha, you are biting more than you can chew. Be warned. You cannot fight darkness, for it shall swallow you. Neither can you fight light, for it will outshine you.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land.
What are you talking about?
I shall go. I shall go beyond the Green River and into the Black Forest to search for her. I shall find her and bring her back to the kingdom.
No, I shall not allow you. You will not sacrifice your life for people who do not like you.
She is my friend, and I have to look for her. Don't worry. I promise I shall come back.
What if you don't come back? Those warriors, fortified as they were, died within that place. You know, you are both my mother and father. You have been everything to me. I cannot even bear the thought of losing you.
As long as the sun rises and sets, I shall come back. I shall go further than usual, but I shall return.
I see you have magical powers. I saw how you destroyed those evil spirits with strange and uncanny magical powers. How did you get those powers?
The gods cursed me with them.
The gods cursed you with them? So when are they going to kill you?
I shall not die. My curse is one that will linger on until I become a full beast. Years and years from now.
I heard that this place has swallowed so many souls and lives.
This is not a place for someone like you. But together, we shall outweigh the darkness.
There is no together between us.
I do not want these powers. Neither do I want to remain here. I want to be well again. I was once a handsome young man until fate decided my destiny. And now look at me. Monstrous, rejected by all. And even you, my princess.
Yes, because I do not like you for being evil.
I am not evil. If I were evil, I would have ravished your body and killed you the first day I brought you here.
Then if you are not evil, take me back to my people and stop holding me captive.
Then go back.
What?
should go through those evil lanes alone? You brought me here. So you shall take me back to my people. And I demand that you take me back.
I shall take you back, my princess. But this place will forever remain your home.
What are you talking about? I want you to take me back to my people. Please take me back.
I have made my decision. I shall go beyond the Green River to find my friend Uriah.
Are you sure about this?
The journey ahead is covered with evil and darkness. You may not find your way. Let me die if the gods please. The Green River swallows souls. Let it swallow me if the gods please. I will go and there is no turning back. You have made your choice, Golibe. May the gods guide and protect you as you go.
Father, let me go with you.
You cannot, son. The gods forbid it.
She must go alone. When you are set to go, I will give you a talisman. The talisman is a weapon that you will use to attack and destroy every evil that locks your way. I shall go now. The wind will not stop me. The sun will cast its rays on me. The moon will guide my fate. I shall not be defeated.
Golibe, I have held you so low. You are a brave one. May the gods be with you.
Distant love, unknown stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person?
Tell me about your past.
My past does not exist.
You are ashamed of your past because you killed an innocent woman.
I'm ashamed of myself because everyone hates me. That is why I'm here in this black forest.
I only want to know why you killed her. What did she do to you?
I cannot remember. Have lost a lot of memories in this place. I only remember I was once a handsome young man in the land of Umunji, which every maiden flocked around me. I heard about you, but I did not get to see you.
Did you kill her?
I did, but I cannot remember.
I know why you killed her. It was because she refused to elope with you. You killed her and attempted to run away. Do you remember now?
No. It does not strike any memory.
I never saw your real face. What I heard, you were the most handsome of them all. And every other night, I
wished I never killed her. Wish I was never banned. Or you wished I became your prince. I wish I can go back and correct my mistake. Have I not been punished by the gods enough? Why not show a little compassion for me?
Distant love, unknown stranger.
You tremble at my touch, yet you hate me so much.
I hate you.
Then why do you tremble at my touch?
You must be strong.
I should have gone with her again.
You couldn't because the gods refused a royal one from going to search for a royal one. It wasn't your fault.
Again, I'm scared. Believe me, I'm scared I may lose her.
You will not. The gods will protect her. I'm sure they will.
See, what if...
There are no ifs, my friend. No ifs. What we have is an uncertainties. You choose the one you believe in.
No evil raven, beast, or bird shall descend on your view. This river shall not swallow me. I shall go through.
You shall fail in your endeavors. The princess will die, and her blood will grace the black forest.
I am not afraid of you.
Your soul is mine.
Distant love, unknown stranger.
You are beautiful. Honestly beautiful. Like the rising moon through the sky and bewitch the night. So you have bewitched me. I wish you were mine.
What are you doing?
I was only admiring your body.
How dare you look at me like that?
I met you sleeping, so I decided to watch over you. I'm sorry if I disrespected you, but I must admit you have the most flawless skin and beautiful skin I've ever seen.
I do not know what you're talking about. I want to be left alone.
As you wish, my princess. If you ever need my help, please call me. I shall be lurking around.
He has a good heart. But the girls have decided his fate. He's kind, but does not remember his past. What a pity. My heart goes for him. The more I hate him, the more I want you.
I can feel his loneliness. I think he needs a friend.
Your strength is that of a warrior and a huntress from the days of yore.
Who are you?
I am your benefactress, the old woman of goodwill. I am your shadow. You will pass 7 lanes of mystery before you get to the Black Forest, where you will find her waiting for you. She is alive, but will die if you do not get there on time.
You shall cross the 7 lanes. The first is the land of evil birds with a call of death. The second is the strange waters. And the third is the thick darkness, the strange burning fire, lights where you may not find your way. And the fourth is the heaven of the black man. The fifth is the forgotten road, covered in dust. And the sixth is the path leading to the 2 right roads, where one will lead you to her, and the other will lead you to your death.
Please, old woman of you, tell me how to conquer in these roads. The wisdom of the old shall guide you.
Where are you? I need your help. Old woman of Yor, where are you? Old woman of Yor!
I warned you not to come to me again. However, your request is a great one.
Ezedibia, that woman is your enemy. This is an opportunity to destroy her. I will give you anything you ask of. Just name it.
Princess Idia is the eye of your kingdom, Umoji. And I am the eye of my kingdom, Ogade.
You shall also become the eyes of our kingdom. Let us destroy her. I will give you anything you want for our kingdom. Land, farm produce, just anything. Name it.
Gods of our land, we are waiting for sunrise.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is...
Ophili, the greatest warrior in our land, a coward who is scared to die for love.
I was not scared, my prince. I only choose not to go.
You never loved my sister. You are nothing but a weakling.
My prince, I'm not a weakling. We both gave up on love.
I did not give up on love. Olibe still lingers in my heart.
Why didn't you defy the god's walls and go with her whether you die or not?
I wanted to go. My father stopped me because of tradition. And what about you? You chose to run away because you are a coward. You never loved my sister. You wish her death.
My prince, I beg to take my leave.
Do not walk out on me. You wait until I'm done.
As you wish, my prince. Will never come back. She will be swallowed within the black forest. So will Uri. For refusing me, Ophili, the bravest and the strongest warrior of Umuji Kingdom, and running after that beast.
We can defeat her?
I have destroyed her powers. She is now powerless. Send your warriors to get her tomorrow. She is a woman. A woman is meant to be defeated.
Time is up.
You dare challenge me in this kingdom?
You shall die.
Now tell the person that sent you that no one dares defeat me in this kingdom.
You lie.
Yes, my warriors beheaded her and buried her afterwards. But the history we share together.
Now you will get power in abundance. See you when Moro comes.
I called this meeting for what is it?
Igwe, the priestess has gone missing, Igwe.
That cannot be possible.
Abomination. How do you mean priestess has gone missing?
Igwe, some villagers said they heard her screaming yesterday, and now she's nowhere to be found. Her boat lay desolate, and her staff was found along the road, Igwe. Thank you, Igwe. Help! Help!
What do we do? Impossible.
The priestess remains untouchable. The gods are not dead.
Yes, they are not dead. They are not dead.
I will not believe it. I will not believe it.
Hey!
You cannot be blind, Your Highness! Open your eyes!
I cannot see!
Hey!
Distant love are no strangers. Love is so near yet so
Have you come to tell me how evil I am?
No. You are not evil. You are a good man. If you were evil, you would have disrespected me the first day I came. I have seen your heart. I can see the real man within you. The kind-hearted and gentle soul.
You do not mean those words of yours, do you?
I mean every word I say. I want you to know that I like you. I have always liked you, even though I never saw you. And your audio made me like you even more. Every night I thought of you, and I have always wanted to meet you until I had those dreams.
What dreams?
Very, very strange. And it has never happened in the history of Umoji. Could you imagine our ego is blind and unconscious?
Everything happened for a reason.
What reason could do that?
Ichi, I don't know.
What do you suggest we should seek for a new Dibia from our neighboring village.
I agree with him.
Oh, thank you.
I agree with him. Our great priestess, the tigress of this kingdom, Princess Idia, the eyes of mystery, has gone missing, and nobody knows what could have transpired between her and the gods.
It is a taboo. It is a taboo for the eyes of the gods to be captured by male warriors. I mean male warriors who are just like ants before the gods.
Something is wrong, and we demand answers.
I suggest we wait.
We cannot wait. Our ego is lying down there like a like a log of dead.
No, watch your tongue.
Do not speak such. I'm sorry. But this situation demands for answers before it is too late.
So what do we do?
Answers. Indeed, we need answers.
The worst has happened.
Wise one, what did the gods say?
The gods have punished the king, the great lion of Umoji.
The gods cannot punish our king.
The king committed serious crime by defiling a virgin. The priestess, eyes of mystery, knew about it and covered it, and she met her doom unexpectedly.
That can never be. It's not true.
The hidden has been unraveled. So the gods has punished the king with blindness, and he will remain unconscious until he is taken away.
That cannot be truth. What is truth?
How dare you accuse the wise one of falsehood?
The crown must be passed to the first chief. The fourth chief shall be the next Igwe. No one from Igwazoka's family shall have the crown. Not even his first son. The gods forbid it.
I am the first chief.
Chiokocha, you lie.
How dare you accuse the wise one of telling lies?
You cannot fool me.
Because I know that you are the one that plotted this. You are a liar. Eye of Doom is a liar.
How dare you challenge the God?
My husband never committed any crime. How dare you come to this kingdom to tell such a grievous lies? How dare you?
The gods have declared the king evil, and he remains evil.
You lie!
You are a liar. You are a liar.
Shut up! How dare you?
You are a liar. Shut up! You are a liar. Shut up!
You should shut up!
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity. Distant love, unknown stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man that touches my heart like a star?
I am forever cursed and doomed to remain in this place. And I cannot be selfish to hold you to myself. I shall take you back to the path after the Green River, where you may find your way.
I do not want to go back. I want to be with you. I want to stay with you.
A beast can never be entwined with a beauty as you.
You are not a beast. You are a kind soul. My heart brought me here. Let it be here.
Why do you choose me? I have nothing to offer you.
I have something to offer you. I shall offer you my body and my soul. Take me. Take me and make me a woman.
I am the visible one, the black tiger of Umoji. I am the next king, Igwe Agwe, Igwe Buruburu of this land. I will take up the throne and no one will defeat me. I shall crush anyone who deserves my heels and lay them bare.
You lie, Chief. You lie. You shall never, ever be king. Ever. Not while my father is alive.
My father lay down there like a dead log of wood.
I know your plan, Chief. I know your plan. You connived with that blind Dibia from Oga the kingdom to take my father's throne. But it will not work. It has failed. Because I will never ever allow it.
You have no say in this, young man. The gods decide and they have chosen me.
The gods have not chosen you. Desist from fighting for my father's throne, else I will kill you.
You dare no such thing.
Do not cross your boundary. I will not warn you again.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land.
We shall see.
Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth
He must die, and want him dead and buried.
You shall do no such thing. Yes, the gods will strike.
The gods of our land are powerless.
Ichokoja, watch your tongue. Even the lion bow before the elephant.
I will kill him with my bare hands. You must instill fear in the hearts of the villagers, because I have warriors who are ready to respect me, and I have promised to enrich them, because I am the next king. Failure to do that, they shall pay with their heads.
You are controlled by power.
Yes. Everyone needs power and fame. Even you.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity.
Greetings, Ichio Kosha. You sent for me.
Yes, Ophile. Ophile, I know you have a penchant for hating the prince, Shuka, and I want you to work on that hate against him.
Ichio Kosha, what do you want?
Ophile, I know you desire royalty. I am the next Igwe of this kingdom, and you shall be betrothed to my daughter. You shall become the prince and heir to the throne, but you must pay a price. Ophile, I want you to kill the prince. I know you desire to be respected by all in this kingdom, but that boy has relegated you for so long. I see the way he looks down upon you. But we shall trample him down. We shall destroy all of them. But to begin, you have to take him out of our way.
And the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace.
What brings you to my territory, Ujongwa?
How dare you call me by my name?
Oh, you may not know. Your royalty is about to be stripped off from you. Your bright sun shines no more, and your moon has gone into hiding, and there are no more guiding stars in your night.
Ichiokocha.
Yes.
As you can see, I am still the queen of Umoji. Yes.
You may have a point there. You shall remain the queen if you come to me and remain mine.
You lie! You will never sit on that throne.
Your
it's
words
over my dead body. I promise you.
Your words mean nothing to me.
Oh, I see. Let me tell you, my husband is still alive. And this phase you are seeing now, it will soon be over. And if you are involved in what is happening now, you will be humiliated.
Your husband, the king, will never be well. He's a dead log of wood.
How dare you? How dare you say such evil thing against my husband? You will eat and swallow your words, evil man.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity. Wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity. Wickedness has gone.
Onye? Kenna.
Chuka, what is it? You're panting.
Ikenna, I killed him.
Killed who?
Ophili. Yes. I was at the stream. He attacked me. You know, he was strangling me. I had no other option. I stabbed him to death.
He was strangling you?
Yes.
And you stabbed him to death?
Yes.
Chuka, you didn't do anything. You didn't kill anybody. That was self-defense. You wouldn't have allowed him to kill you now. You defended yourself, okay? Stop panicking. Would you have allowed him to kill you?
You have fought a good cause. The road ahead may lead you astray or to your destination. You must not give up. The sixth will lead you to the last lane.
You abandoned me. I have been looking for you. I'm too weak and weary. I cannot continue.
Drink of it. Drink, for it shall replenish your weary soul. Drink and go.
to me. Do not panic, okay? I'm here for you. I'm sorry for leaving you all by yourself. Do not panic.
Zulu, I love you. I don't care. I don't care what everyone thinks about you. I love you, Zulu.
My princess! My princess! Please wake up! I'll take you back to your people, my princess!
What if she never comes back?
She will come back. I assure you.
No. No. I had a dream. And in that dream, the sun refused to rise the next day after setting before noon the previous day. And the day turned night. I cannot bear the thought of losing her. I can't.
Dreams do not always come true. I have a strong feeling that she will come back again. Okay?
Do you believe so?
Yes, I do. Strongly, I believe she will come back. Okay? I want you to have hope. Yes, you will.
Tell me what is wrong. We've not even arrived where we're supposed to hunt and I can see rage in your eyes.
I'm going to attack Ichiokocha. It's time to kill.
You will not kill anyone. Let the gods kill.
Which gods are you talking about? Huh? Which gods? Same gods that cannot bring my sister back. Same gods who separated me from my heart. Same gods who cannot restore my father's health. Which gods are you talking about?
Chuka, the gods are not asleep. They are not asleep. Allow them fight.
I do not trust the gods anymore. I do not trust anyone but myself. It's time to kill.
Chuka, you will not kill. Let the gods do the killing. You will not kill.
Before she dies. Are you the real one? No. Yes, I am. I am your life. I am the real one. Come with me. I am your shadow. Come with me. She will lead you astray. Where they will use you for sacrifice. Come and follow the white road.
She will lead you to the land of death. Come with me. I know the way. Come with me. I know the way. Come, 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 come.
Are you still alive? You're still alive.
Golibe.
Tell me it is you.
It is me, my friend. Can you not see?
We need to leave this place. Come on, let's go.
Leave me!
What is wrong with you? Has he bewitched you? He is evil.
He is not evil!
Listen to me. Let us.
I said leave me!
You would have been used for sacrifice. I came to your rescue and you still call me evil?
She was going to be used for sacrifice?
I think I have chosen the wrong one. I must get to the Black Forest to bring my friend Owen back.
You have been chosen for a sacrifice!
Please. You cannot go. We will perish alone. We need you. Please.
I'm sorry.
Please.
I only remember that I was captured. I didn't know I was going to be used for sacrifice. Thank you for saving me and protecting my friend Uriel. But please, we need to go back home. She is needed by her people. Her father, her mother. I beg you, take us back home, for I am no longer fortified. Please.
I shall take you beyond the Wind River. There you may find your way.
You summoned me here. What is it? I told you we don't have to be seen often.
No one is watching. I had a strong warning from the gods. We are walking on a dangerous water, sitting on a keg of gunpowder.
I do not understand you.
I am no more part of this.
You cannot back out. Not now. We are too far together in this. Moreover, the coronation is here.
The gods strike so.
They will not. If they would, they should have done that when you killed the priestess. The gods of our land are asleep and powerless.
You cannot control the gods.
We will and we shall. No turning back.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine.
Come with me.
Distant love, unknown stranger, love is so near yet so far. Who is that?
shall take by force my heritage. I shall invade this kingdom and make it mine. They will bow before me, and failure to do that, they shall die.
Yes! Yes, my king! Yes, my king!
What are you doing? I have come to remind you of my coronation that comes up in 2 days.
You have no business here. Leave now. Go back to where you're coming from.
Strike him.
Strike who?
You shall all bow before me in this palace and become the king of Umoji kingdom in 2 days. You shall all respect and obey me. Failure to do that, you shall be beheaded and humiliated. I am power. I am your king.
Yes, my king! Yes, my king! Yes, my king!
What shall we do with this? Nothing. Nothing until Ichie Okocha tells us what to do. Do you understand?
Do you think he will order us to kill him?
Yes. Yes! What is that look on your face?
No.
Don't tell me you're feeling pity for the prince. Listen. We must do what Ichie Okocha asks us to do. He is the next Igwe of this land. Failure to abide by his words, we will die. Do you understand?
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity, wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace.
Back to the palace and confront Ichie Okocha. He has started ruling this kingdom unauthorized.
You're right, Hebo. I will go. But that will be when the time is right. I need to plan and prepare. But in the meantime, I know that I am safe here. For here is where my loved ones stay. I know that her memory will protect me and give me victory.
You speak as though she may never come back. And it hurts me to think that way too. My prince, I have learned not to trust on the gods because they have failed me. But you have to be strong to accept whatever fate may decide. And your mother it's confided. She's been crying every other day.
Ikenna, I want you to go to the palace. Tell my mother that I am alive and I am safe. Tell her to keep my father's crown in a safe place. Go.
The heart of man is so evil, walking wickedness in the land. Our ancestors will punish the wicked, and the light of truth will shine in the land. When there is justice, when there is peace,
need you. I want you to be my wife. I know you are lonely and you need a man. I can't help it again.
You are a fool. You have always been an enemy to my husband. And I will never be your wife.
Anna.
Excuse me.
I shall wipe out your entire lineage and not even your son will be spared.
Wickedness has gone. When there is justice, when there is peace, there is prosperity. Wickedness has gone.
I will go to the farm now. I hope you are safe.
Yes, I'm safe. I'm fine. Do not worry about it.
Okay.
Ebo, I want you to know this. No matter what happens, I will never love anyone else. Including your sister.
Scared me, Your Highness.
Sorry about it. I appreciate your loyalty, even when everyone else turned their backs on us. How is my mother?
She's been happy since she heard you are alive. And for the crown, she has hidden it in a safe place where no eyes will see it.
Thank you once again for your loyalty. Remember, no one else must know that I am here.
Let me go and freshen up. I'll be back.
The day has come. You shall be coronated today as the king of the Umoji kingdom.
It is not over yet. Take this. Give it to Igwe Azoka. Make sure he drinks it. If you take him to the hereafter, go.
Make sure he drinks it, or you shall lose your head.
I shall give it to him as you command, and makes him drink it when no one suspects.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. Eyes of the God.
Everything is not alright.
Wise one, we could not find him.
Go and look for that boy, else I kill the two of you.
Your Highness, we could not find him. He has escaped.
Oh, he couldn't have escaped without the help of one of you.
No, Wise one, I'm not the one. Wise one, you know I won't do a thing like that.
Strike them down.
Your Highness, Oh, wife am, please. Please. Please.
What do we do now? That boy is a traitor, I must confess.
We must take by force. And if he dare challenges us, we shall strike him dead.
That is what we shall do.
This thing that Ichiokocha gave to me, how can I be so careless like this? Hi. And if Ichiokocha finds out that this thing is missing, I'm dead. Hey, what should I do now? If Ichiokocha finds out that this thing is missing, hi, Ichiokocha is going to kill me. Hey, yes, I think I have to leave this village right now. Yes.
Distant love, I'm no stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man that touches my heart like a star? Onye dim nobi, onye mbu nobi mo, onye dim nobi kamuna.
When you get to your people, that you shall find out.
Why?
You shall not ask any questions. Go and drink of the water. Go now! Go! Go and drink of it.
Distant love, I'm no stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man that touches my heart like a star? Onye dim nobi, onye mbu nobi mo, onye dim nobi kamunacho. Onye mbu nobi, onye mbu nobi mo, onye mbu nobi kamunacho. Onye mbu nobi.
Now you are free. You have lost thy powers and have become man again. Go back to thy people and tell them you are innocent.
Innocent? What does she mean by that?
I cannot remember now.
Distant love, I'm no stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man that touches my heart like a star?
Nina, just remember, this is too much for us. I just pray the gods intervene on time.
Ichiokocha, he is too dubious and callous, that man.
Do you know he threatened to kill anybody who crosses his path? The queen, she kept on weeping day and night. The king will not wake up.
Oh! No, easy. Sorry.
Thank you, Kena, for coming to my rescue.
am Ichie Okocha, the visible one, the untouchable one. I shall collect the crown from the head of that dead man, Azuka, and be coronated the Igwe of Umoji Kingdom. Today is my day! And no one, I repeat, no one shall stop it.
I will stop you, Shokocha. I will stop you. You cannot desecrate our land.
Yes! Yes, Okocha! You and your cohort will regret this. Maki, silence them.
Silence what?
Get the crown.
You dare not move an inch.
What?
You shall never get hold of this, Shiokocha.
How dare you try to stop the gods from fulfilling the obligation? Don't you know it is a taboo to remove the crown from your father's head? I am the only person authorized to do that.
Go back to your land, you old beast.
Give me that crown immediately.
I dare you.
Give me the crown! Chuka, I want the crown! Put the crown in my hand! No! Go!
Distant love, unknown stranger. Love is so near yet so far. Who is that person? Who is that man that touches my heart like a star?
Finally, we are close to home.
My princess, I have to go back.
Nowhere. You don't have to go. Go with us so at least you could prove your innocence to the people of Omoji.
Of what relevance would that be? When I've lost a lot of years living in agony, live among the beasts and the ghosts of the Black Forest.
You lost your life, but you are free again. The gods have vindicated you, and you must come with us to the palace, so they can see that you are innocent.
My princess, I was banished and sent away for a crime I did not commit. And I was made to believe I've committed the worst crime by losing my memory. This is too much for me to bear. This is too much. I just have to go.
Zulu, together you and I will get it. I will make you forget your history and make you smile again. Come with me right now. I shall go nowhere without you. Where you go, I go. Please, my love, come and make my job right.
I'm sorry, my princess. I can't come with you.
I am sorry for betraying you, Ichiokocha, because of the foreseen consequences. I tied her to the tree of ages. I never knew she could be loosed again.
This is impossible! Kill them!
No, I am no more part of this.
You have met your end, and all that betrayed me shall die.
You shall die!
Kill him now!
Wait! The gods have a message for us.
killed his mother. I killed his mother and turned it against him.
I've got you with this knife. Open your legs. All this while I've been talking to you. You won't agree. Open your legs. I'll cut you with this knife now. Open your legs.
Help me. As this chased in my dream and everywhere I go.
You killed 2 women. One was pregnant. The other, the mother and wife of your rival. And his son, go and face the consequence.
Don't forget, I also know your secrets. I will open your secrets.
How dare you?
I dare you.
It is done. Zulu, the son of your rival, shall confess to killing the pregnant woman. Afterwards, he shall
Who shall pay the price for the death of his parents?
I have also caused them with the curse of the elements, the air, the water, the land, and the sun shall never see you again. This curse shall linger for years. Yes. No one shall be able to break this curse. You are untouchable. Your priestess shall never see your misdeeds. Everyone will believe that Mazindoli was attacked by the gods. Everyone will believe that his wife, Amma, was drowned in the stream where she was found. Because she could not bear the loss of her husband. Now, leave and never come to me again.
Indeed, you just cut them off.
Send him to the Black Forest to taste the bitter portion he made this young man taste. And all the chiefs and warriors that supported him shall die.
I curse you, Ichiokocha, that the Black Forest shall forever remain your home. You will stay there for years and become a beast. The ghost of the night shall devour you. I curse you!
No one, absolutely no one, together will stand.
Golibe, you are our hero, the real tigress of Umuaji land.
Thank you, my friend.
My friend,
Give me your hand. Today, I join you as husband and wife. Together, you will be forever, just as you were unstoppable.
the son of late Ichiendoli. There's nothing that can be done to bring back lost years or pains felt. Today, I give you part of my kingdom, and my land in the far east are yours. Now, you may go on.
Father, please. No, I want to say something. Father, please. I want to go with him. I have always yearned for him, even before I ran away in search of him.